Gor Mahia okawo okombe mar adhula lig maduong' mapacho ka bang' chiko lig gi points 73 kendo ndiko historia tok kawo okombe margi mar 21. Kogalo mano dhiala Yanga odiochieng' ma kawuono lap ma Kenyatta Stadium kaunti ma Machakos. Gor Mahia nolo klab mar Bidco gonde 4-3. Jatugo Benson Omala nolo gonde 2 kendo tiko season gi gonde 19 gonde mathoth ma olo season ne. Ma bende en tugo mogik ne Jonathan McKinstry kaka kocha mar Gor Mahia bang' keto koke orak mar tayo team mar Gambia. Gor Mahia koro biro ting'o nying Kenya tuke mag CAF Championship League tukego mane ok gitugo season nikech rem yudo lesson kowuok kuom CAF.
You see today, I want the supporters, not just of Kogalo, but of all teams to come out in their thousands to support the teams, you know, because Kenyan football is coming back. There's no doubt it's been on a low point for a few years, but we can get Kenyan football back to the really high standards, you know, full stadiums, high quality football, high quality pitches. So that's what I want to see over the next 3 to 5 years. All these new stadiums that are being built, I want to see them full with fans like today. And, you know, I'm going to be looking on now as a fan, not just of Kogalo, but of the Kenyan League in